Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16 BHS. On the front of the unit, you do have a large lighted storage space. You do have a Contour cube refrigerator. It's also got exterior speakers and a lighted and power awning that does extend nearly the entire length of the camper. Let's take a look inside. So right here inside the door is your bed. You do have access to the storage space from the bed. You've got a nice little shelf here. It does have USB ports and outlets. You've got side open cabinets up top, which makes it easier to load and unload them. You've got a TV mount and cable and satellite hookups over here. In your kitchen area, you've got some storage cabinets, a single basin sink with a soap dispenser, 2-burner Greystone stovetop, Contour microwave. There is a 12-volt Canon refrigerator. This will run off of your battery, and it will also keep your food cold as you're going down the road. Over here are your bunks. As you can see, there's a nice little door there because there's storage underneath that bunk. Got more storage space up here, and then down here, you do have a 2-person dinette. This will fold down into a bed. I apologize, booth. And then finally, back here in the back, you've got your bathrooms. Of course, you got a toilet, and you do have a shower. And if you've got smaller children, the basin of the shower is fairly deep, so it could be used as a bathtub. If you'd like to see this unit in person or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come see us in Anna, Illinois, or check us out online, www.tristaterv.com.